Intel promises bigger, cheaper SSDs for your computer. The chipmaker plans to squeeze more storage into each cell of flash memory. Solid-state drives are way faster than traditional hard drives for storing data on laptops. But they still can't match the old technology when it comes to cost and capacity. But Intel promises to help improve SSDs with new technology that squeezes more data into each memory cell. SSDs use flash memory, a type of chip that stores data in tiny memory cells. When flash memory first arrived, each cell could store a 0 or a 1, a single bit. But improvements have increased that to 2 bits, 3 bits, and now today, 4 bits. So a single cell can store 16 bits of data, a major capacity boost. But Intel on Wednesday announced new technology is in the works that will double the data density again, 5-level cells. 5-level cells would further increase density and reduce the cost beyond quad-level cells, said Frank Cotty, an Intel fellow from the chipmaker's non-volatile memory solutions group. The move is important, but don't expect Intel to stand alone. For example, another flash memory leader, Toshiba, revealed its own 5-level cell flash memory technology in August. The bottom line, expect the competition and innovation to drive down storage prices for the PC, phone or other digital doodad you buy a couple years from now. Intel didn't say when the new technology would be commercialized or how it will affect costs. "We are conducting feasibility studies today," the company said in a statement. Flash memory chipmakers have also been increasing capacity with 3D stacking technology that adds dozens of layers of flash memory cells. Intel's 2019 flash memory stacks up 96 layers of quad-level cells. But in 2020, it'll move to 144 layers, the company announced. Google reportedly attains quantum supremacy. Its quantum computer can solve tasks that are otherwise unsolvable, a report says. Google has reportedly built a quantum computer more powerful than the world's top supercomputers. A Google research paper was temporarily posted online this week. The Financial Times reported Friday, and said the quantum computer's processor allowed a calculation to be performed in just over 3 minutes. That calculation would take 10,000 years on IBM's Summit, the world's most powerful commercial computer, Google reportedly said. Google researchers are throwing around the term quantum supremacy as a result, the FT said, because their quantum computer can solve tasks that can't otherwise be solved. To our knowledge, this experiment marks the first computation that can only be performed on a quantum processor, the research paper reportedly said. Google declined to comment on the FT's report. The tech giant unveiled its 72-qubit quantum computer chip Bristlecone in March 2018. "We are cautiously optimistic that quantum supremacy can be achieved with Bristlecone," said Julian Kelly, a research scientist at Google's Quantum AI Lab, said at the time. "We believe the experimental demonstration of a quantum processor outperforming a supercomputer would be a watershed moment for our field." Quantum computing, which can simultaneously evaluate multiple possibilities, will likely be used for physics and chemistry simulations that aren't possible with classical computers, which can't simulate complex chemicals. They could also create new drugs and solar panels, help develop artificial intelligence and self-driving cars, and even manage investment portfolios. Earlier this week, IBM unveiled its 14th quantum computer, which has 53 qubits. It'll be available for quantum computing customers in October. AT&T also recently said it's working on quantum networking, or the technology to link quantum computers,